Here are 10 more affordable classic cars and project vehicles for sale across America, featuring Corvettes, Camaros, Mopars, full-size cruisers, and even a 1930 Chevrolet hot rod.
Number 1. 1968 Oldsmobile 98 two-door. $6,500, Streetsboro, Ohio. This 1968 Oldsmobile 98 is powered by a 455 V8 backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a posy rear end. The seller says it runs and drives very well, with a quiet engine, solid brake lines, and very little rust throughout the car. It recently received new tires and front brake hoses. Most features are still present, including working power windows, but the heat and air conditioning may need attention. Overall, it sounds like a solid full-size cruiser that could be enjoyed as is while gradually being improved. Number 2. 1976 Chrysler Newport. $3,500, Selmer, Tennessee. This 1976 Chrysler Newport is equipped with a 360 V8 and a 727 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well, retains its original paint, and reportedly has no significant rust issues. The AC compressor engages but likely needs a recharge to function properly. At only $3,500, this big-body Mopar appears to be one of the more affordable running classics currently on the market. Number 3. 1967 Ford Falcon Standard. $6,500, Kokomo, Indiana. This 1967 Ford Falcon Coupe is powered by a 200 cubic inch inline-six paired with an automatic transmission. The seller reported that the car came from its original owner and was primarily used as a weekend and church car before being passed down through the family. The seller states that the Falcon runs, but there is a brake system leak that will need to be repaired before regular driving. Aside from that issue, it looks like a largely original compact classic with a straightforward mechanical setup. Number 4. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette. $7,500, Chagrin Falls, Ohio. This C3 Corvette features a camshaft upgrade, headers, and an aftermarket exhaust system. The seller says the car has a clean title and remains a strong running driver despite needing a few small adjustments. A carburetor tune-up is recommended, the power windows currently do not work, and the seat belts have retraction issues. Even with those flaws, it appears to be a usable Corvette project that still offers plenty of V8 performance and classic styling. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. $4,500, Oconto, Wisconsin. This 1978 Camaro is described simply as a running project car. While details are limited, the seller confirms that the car is operational and available at a relatively low entry price for a second-generation Camaro. Because so little information is provided, buyers would need to inspect the vehicle carefully to determine its overall condition. Still, at $4,500, it could be an interesting starting point for someone looking to build a classic Camaro on a budget. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D. $5,900, New Carlisle, Ohio. This 1979 Corvette is a driver-quality C3 showing 82,000 miles and finished in white with a red interior. The seller says the car runs and drives well, making it a relatively affordable entry into Corvette ownership. The main issue mentioned is the lack of power steering, which can make low-speed driving heavier than expected. Aside from that, it appears to be a straightforward running and driving Corvette with a clean title. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. $6,500, Cleveland, Ohio. This Camaro features a 1971 front-end conversion, a 305 V8, and a 3-speed manual transmission. The seller has installed numerous new parts, including a fuel system refresh, suspension components, brakes, battery, headers, and exhaust upgrades. The body still needs attention with patched floor areas, worn seats, a minor power steering leak, and a clutch that slips slightly in second gear. Despite those issues, the seller claims it remains drivable and could be enjoyed while future restoration work is completed. Number 8. 1974 Dodge Charger SE Sedan 4D. $8,000, Euclid, Ohio. This 1974 Dodge Charger SE retains its matching numbers 318 V8 and automatic transmission. According to the seller, it runs and drives well enough to be driven home and includes several desirable extras, such as hideaway headlights and a new vinyl top. The car still needs some body work and repairs to the driver's side floor pan. However, many parts are included with the sale, making it a potentially attractive project for someone interested in an old-school mid-70s Mopar. Number 9. 1930 Chevrolet Coach. $8,000, Glen Carbon, Illinois. This 1930 Chevrolet Coach has been heavily modified with a cammed 350 V8, turbo 350 transmission, Ford 9-inch rear end, and front disc brakes. The seller says it runs well and has been driven on the highway, although it was not really built for long-distance cruising. Its steel body and hot rod drivetrain make it very different from a stock 1930 Chevrolet. For buyers looking for an old-school street rod rather than a restoration project, this one offers plenty of character. Number 10. 1968 Chevrolet Impala Sedan 4D. $800, Oregon, Ohio. This 1968 Impala is by far the cheapest car on the list. The seller says it starts and runs, but the frame has rust damage under the driver's side floor and the drum brakes are worn. The owner is considering either selling the entire car or parting it out. At only $800, it looks more like a project or parts donor than a ready-to-drive classic, but it could still appeal to someone needing Impala components or a budget restoration candidate. Which one would you choose? The big block Oldsmobile 98, the classic Dodge Charger, or maybe the $800 Impala project? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more classic car deals and hidden marketplace finds every week.